BRAVIA Professional Displays. New models for 2021. BZ40J 100-inch and BZ30J 32-inch. Sony's professional displays offer high brightness, high contrast, and high color reproduction for commercial applications. BRAVIA 4K Professional Displays. BZ40J and BZ30J series offer a full range of sizes. The new 100-inch and 32-inch displays expand the lineup even further and provide more options to suit virtually any installation environment. The BZ40J series is equipped with Sony's latest technology, the new Cognitive Processor XR, that provides an incredibly immersive experience with advanced image correction for clarity, color, contrast, and motion. The BZ30J series incorporates Sony's 4K HDR Processor X1 with object-based HDR remastering for high-quality pictures with incredible color, contrast, and clarity. The image enhancement and color reproduction features of the Cognitive Processor XR and the 4K HDR Processor X1 make these professional displays ideal for commercial applications where it is essential to captivate and clearly communicate with viewers. BRAVIA Professional Displays also incorporate powerful commercial features such as Pro Mode, IP control, and mirroring functions. With high picture quality, broad range of model sizes, and professional features, these displays are ideal for virtually any business environment. In meeting rooms, presentations can be shared with precise detail and crisp, sharp graphics. In huddle spaces, quality images can be shared for clarity and productive collaboration. BRAVIA Professional Display is suitable for places of education too. In public venues, BRAVIA Professional Displays can share impactful digital signage for clear messaging, wayfinding, or alerts. BRAVIA Professional Displays are ideal for virtually any business environment with picture quality and commercial features. The new BRAVIA Professional Display design. The Sony logo appears on the top right side bezel to accommodate professional installations. The BZ40J 100-inch model includes a carrying handle to improve the large-size display stability. The BZ30J 32-inch model has AC adapter holder and cable clamper for cable management and simple installation. This cable management design helps to create a clean installation appearance without messy cabling. Designed specifically for professional applications, our lineup of BRAVIA Professional Displays can fully support the needs of your application.